hello, I'm gonna be recording with this girl. She said she's gonna record, so she gave me an idea to record. And yeah. I'll look for something. Okay, so let's go. Let's see what we want. She said rare traits, so. But why? Hi. Like, if I say hi, will she scan me? Okay. So, I am recording too. Let me get my recording. My bad. Right here are her rares. Okay, that is a diamond pack, so I do not need a diamond pack because diamond packs are worth a lot. Just rest. Okay. Baby, I do not know her rares. All I know the ones, because I haven't played Movie Star Planet for a long time, and I missed out on a lot. Oh, then. I go submit to ratings because it takes so long to get to level 20. Level 20. Break it out. Yeah. What the heck? No. No. Guys, I was drinking some, what is it called? Okay, yeah, apple juice. And then it was so sour that it made me go, This girl does not have a lot of rares. This is something I want, but she is wearing it. Her. Whoop. Okay. And now we're playing with my I want those shoes. I want the rare shoes. Rare. Please, plus. Let's see if that is. You can you glitch VIP items? Yes, I know how to, but I don't know if it is patched. It's not. Okay. Slow. Back shoes. Okay. Oh yeah, we jumping over the sky pine. Ooh, don't we look good together? What? Shut up, baby. My voices are so weird. I want your flower crown. No, that flower crown is more important to me because it was given by this YouTuber girl YouTuber friggin' thing. She don't like me no more. Okay. Go on hide. Sec. I'm gonna see. I'm so lagging! Okay, good. Okay? Yeah. Let's try to good stuff, guys. To a good shot, Yo, gobble gobble. No! Don't you get pooped when your friends sing that? Okay, she gave it to me. Jesus, I'm lagging so bad. What flower crown? The black and white one. And the flower crown I'm talking about, I was gonna say it was from my friend. She's my ex-friend now because I did something. I forgot what I did. All right. Yeah, I remember. Okay, yeah, but no time to speak about that. Okay. Okay, if this doesn't work. Boo boo boo. Ooh. Ooh. Boo boo boo. Why am I doing that? It will take time. Oh my goodness. It will take time. Ow! I hurt myself. I'm bleeding. Okay, could I still? Okay. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Okay. Boop, boop. Boop. Boo, boo. Imagine it was from a touch screen. This is gonna be hard! I have to tell her it would take time. Yes! I did it! I did it. I did it. I did it. Okay. Could I, like, text something? I'm gonna tell my dad. Internet is so slow. In a second. Your party's all I am. Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, pretend I didn't do that, yeah, man. Ow! Ow! Come on! Ugh! This is like making me die. Not on Roblox. It's gonna make me die. Come on. I want to see Coraline. Wanna play a little game of hide and go freaking seek? Hey! And all them kids go like, hey, yes, mother. Mother, 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 mina, mother, 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 mina, mina, mina. She might as well think because I'm not trying to scam her. It's my freaking internet. Ugh. Hey. If she says that I am scamming her, well, I'm gonna tell her, ooh, you wrong, girly. Check out my video. Oh my goodness. You know what, bruh? I'm just going here. Roberto's internet so fast. Then look at mine. It's poor. Freaking poor. I'm gonna play with these. It's some candy I got. Woo! Oh dang. Internet, work or I'm gonna kill you. Look at my internet! Ah! Meow, meow, meow. Ew, that sounds gross. It's like you're opening some vino and then it goes. Yeah, guys, I'm totally not Camila Cabello. Oh, because I cannot sing. Oh, no, no. Hey! But I'm really not. I'm really. Why would I be her little sister? I'm too ugly. Okay. Ah! What? This somehow works, and then this? Come on! If these tears were gasoline, I'd light a fire, make you notice me. I'm gonna, you see, my internet is freaking connected!